Hi, my name is Ramesh, Senior Software Engineer at Techdots. Concurrency is where either Rails applications shine or fail under load. Today, I want to go deep into three things: idempotent jobs, exactly one processing, and queue back pressure. These are advanced steps that helps keeps your system predictable when traffic spikes and when background job misbehaves. We'll walk through a small demo using Sidekick as our queue backend, but the principles apply equally to good jobs or any background jobs. Rails apps often start simple. You enqueue a job, process it, done it, but in real production, jobs can run twice. Workers can crash midway or a queue can get overloaded. If you are not careful, this leads to duplicate emails, double charges or missing critical events. So the first principle we need, idempotency. Let's code a quick example. Let's imagine we are processing payments. I'll scaffold a simple job. Here you can see, here's the trick. Notice that card close, return if order.paid. That ensures no matter how many times this job runs, the customer only gets charged once. That is idempotency. Another way is to use a unique job key in Sidekick Pro. For example, here you can see, same principle, don't allow duplicate execution for the same input. Idempotency makes retries safe, but what if the requirement is stricter? We want exactly one semantics. Now in distributed systems, exactly once is almost impossible. The reality is we implement at least once, but design idempotency so the outcome is effective exactly once. One trick, database level guarantees. Let's see an example with a uniqueness constraint. Here you can see in the email log, and here, the DB enforces uniqueness. If two workers race, only one succeeds. That's as close as we can get to exactly once. Okay, now let's take back pressure. Imagine your queue fills with 500k jobs, your workers go red hot, your database cries, and eventually everything slows down. Back pressure is how you tell the system, slow down, I can't take more. Sidekick does not automatically throttle job creation, but you can design it. So you can see here, here's a naive approach. If the queue is too big, fail fast, but in practice, we want smarter control. Sidekick Enterprise has rate limiters, or you can roll your own token bucket algorithm. The key idea, when pressure builds, either shed load or push it upstream to wait. So now we have three pillars. Idempotency prevents double actions. Database and uniqueness tricks approximate exactly once. Back pressure prevents meltdown when demand spikes. Let's combine them into a mini workflow. Let's take an example of an e-commerce checkout. Charge the card, log the transaction, and throttle imports when marketing dumps 1 million leads into the system. This way, our Rails apps stay resilient under real-world concurrency challenges. Concurrency in Rails is often treated as an afterthought, but these three patterns are what differentiate hobby app from a system that can run reliably at scale. If you are building a serious systems, think about how every job behaves under retries, failures, and overload.